Good evening, and welcome to the Department of Mathematics presentation at Essex District Secondary School for our Grade 8 night virtual edition. Unfortunately, for the second year in a row, we're not able to meet in person, but hopefully you'll get a chance to check out this video and get an understanding of what mathematics education looks like here at Essex. My name is Peter Finney, and I'm the department head here, and I'll be taking you through our presentation. So the first thing that I'd like to talk about is what we believe as a math department. We believe that every student can achieve at a high level given the right support, attitude, and effort. We don't believe there's such a thing as a bad math student or someone who just can't learn math. We believe all students can achieve to that level. The path to get there might look a little bit different for some students, but eventually they can all get there. We believe that maintaining a growth mindset is crucial to success in mathematics. Now, a growth mindset simply means how you view yourself. Do you view yourself as someone who's good at math and can have success? Or do you view someone who is not? Do you view yourself as someone who can learn new things? Or do you view yourself as someone that is just the way they are and they can't change? Now, obviously, it's not just as simple as saying, well, I want to be good at math and I can do math, so therefore I'll do it. But through the process of learning how to deal with mistakes, through the process of learning how to grow through your learning, you can begin to get some confidence and hopefully get yourself to that place where you know that even if you're presented with a challenging task, you're going to be able to complete that because you've done it in the past. We believe in encouraging students to become self-motivated, self-directed, and independent learners. We believe that students are functioning at their best when they're self-directed, when they understand what they have to learn, when they understand when they need help, and when they understand what they need to do in order to succeed. We believe that success comes through adversity. Students need to be equipped with the tools, resources, and confidence to be able to persevere through, learn from, and ultimately overcome adversity. Now, you might say, when does adversity come in math class? Well, it comes every day. Every day you're going to come across a situation or a question that you don't know how to do or you've never done before. Does that mean you can't do it? No. It just means that you might have to do a little bit of work to get there. You might fail a bunch of times, you might get the question wrong, but if you continue to persevere, continue to work at it, continue to use your resources, eventually you're going to get it. And once you get it, that feeling is so great and that feeling of success is so amazing, you're going to want that feeling again. And next time you do a difficult question, you'll be like, you know what, I've done this before and it's great. It's a great feeling when I get there, so I'm going to persevere and do it again. And it just gets easier and easier to do more challenging problems. Our assessment philosophy, we like to use learning goal-based assessment. And what that means is each learning goal or skill that we cover is assessed individually, and that way we can track students' progress in certain skills throughout the semester. We believe that learning is viewed as a process. Learning happens over time. It's just not something that happens right now. We can't just show you something and you learn it. It's a process, and there's a lot involved in that process. The grades that we give try to reflect what students know at the time and not just an average of all their previous results. So instead of just kind of averaging all the marks that you've had over the semester, we try to say, well, what does that student know now? What is their understanding of the learning goals we've covered now? Because just because you weren't good at something in the past, we don't think that should affect your mark if you're good at it now. And we also believe that there's multiple opportunities for students to demonstrate their learning. We like to try to give as many opportunities as possible to show demonstration of learning in each of the learning goals that we cover. And in some cases, there are opportunities for reassessment. They may be available if certain requirements have been met. What do we offer here at EDHS? Well, we offer the grade 9 D-Stream Math and the locally developed math. And both of these streams you've probably heard quite a bit about so far in other areas of this presentation. So I'm not going to focus so much on these ones. Again, the D-Stream Math is just the math that all students are going to take if they're going to that college or university goal at the end of high school. So instead of taking the applied or academic in previous years, both of those streams now are combined into this D-Stream course. What else do we offer though? We offer a grade 9 enriched math. So next year we will continue to offer our enriched program. So what does this mean? Well, the enriched program offers the exact same curriculum as the D-Streamed course. It just also offers some extra stuff. It offers the opportunity to prepare for and to compete in various math contests, and those are written here at the school throughout the year, and some extra topics and added things that you might not cover in the 1W course that we will cover here. Now, in terms of what you're going to be responsible for your grade, it's only the curriculum in the 1W course. So whatever exam the kids in the de-streamed course are writing, you're going to write the same exam. Whatever test they write, you're going to write the same test. Whatever learning goals they have, you're going to have the same learning goals. So any of the extra stuff that goes above and beyond the curriculum, none of that is going to count towards your grade, although it might help make you a better problem solver and make you more successful in the things that you were doing in the curriculum. The only difference really between the two courses other than that is that it goes a little bit quicker through the curriculum. So usually I like to say about 80% of the time we're doing the normal de-stream curriculum, and the other 20% of the time we're doing that extra stuff. So we might cover the curriculum a little more quickly. And in general, we're focused on the deeper understanding of why. And it also helps to develop, like I talked about earlier, those problem-solving skills and higher order thinking skills. Now, who can take it? Well, anyone who enjoys problem solving and math. It doesn't just have to be students who have had success with math in the past. Maybe you really enjoy problem solving, but you haven't been that successful in math. Maybe this is going to help you get there. Maybe you'd really enjoy this. So anyone who wants to try it is more than welcome to take it. And even more, we also offer what's called a linking skills course. Now, in this course, it's a preparatory course that's designed for students who are looking towards maybe that college pathway, but maybe aren't able to meet success at that de-streamed course level yet. So what this does, it's designed to strengthen foundational skills and increase confidence to help prepare students for the next step as they move on to that de-streamed course. It's designed to be taken in conjunction with the de-streamed course as a full year program. So you take the linking skills course in the first semester and move on to the de-streamed course in the second semester. Other good stuff. In terms of communication, we use Edsby frequently for communication, and daily lessons provided online through Edsby or Brightspace. So most of the time, whatever lessons we're covering in class, they're going to be available to you online as well. Marks are updated frequently via Edsby or Brightspace, and iPad technology is used extensively in the classroom. Most of you use iPads, and that's why we can have electronic versions of our lessons that we can then put online for you to see. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video for our department this year. I really look forward to seeing you guys in September.